Hey guys, we're the Four Builders. It's just Ollie today. So today, what we're doing is how to sneeze and nap. So what you want to do is you just want to so when you're sneezing, just bring it to your mouth I can snap. So go just see what I mean. So from that, I really hope you got what I meant. So I think it's pretty good. So see you later. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what we should do next.